Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla. Ka sorkar jylla lyngba ka tnat sports bat youth affairs ke jylla, kala Pynkup Burom ya ki Nongjop bat ki coach Jong ki jingialehkai bapher ha kiba ki laia shim bynta ha ka North East Olympic Games arajar arpuar kabala long dang shen ha nongbah Shillong. Ya katei ke jingialang la pynlong ha ka Soso Tham Auditorium ha ka tarik u benai Nohprah arajar arpuar. Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Conrad Sangma ulalong u Kongsan ha katei ke sngi bat laia don rengkat lang u commissioner bat secretary ke tnat sports Vijay Kumar D, u President ke Meghalaya State Olympics Association u Bah John Kharshiing, u General Secretary ke Senjuk u Bah Finely L Pariat, ki officer ke tnat sports ke jylla, ki nongialehkai sports, bat ki coach ki Jong bat kiba. Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ula ai kublai ya baro ki nongialehkai sport ki bala wanra ke nam ke buram lyngba ke Nongjop Jong ya ki takma ha ki jingialehkai ki bapher ya ki bala pynlong ha ke North East Olympic Games ke badang Shillong shen ha ke jylla. Ha ke jo ke por ula pentip ru baka sorkar kan sedang ke scholarship program na do ubenai kelalengkot arajar arpulai ha ke ba on sam bai bam ke ba manla ubenai ya ki Nongjop baro ki bala job ha ki jingialehkai ki jong ke North East Olympic Games kenang ba kin la ban pendon kam ke pisa ha ke ba penbet penbiang yeladi bat ha ki wei ki jingdon kam ki jong ki.
Followed by boxing. The boxers we have today, we have Bah John Kharshiing, Conrad Sangma and Vijay Kumar D. Let's also welcome and clap the cyclists Kevin, John, Jingialang, Gladys, Nelson, Karboli. Please come forward. From golf, we have Dr. Katei, Mr. Hector Marwin, and Jason Pasat. Coming to judo, we have Basuk Mawle. Let's welcome our shooters from Meghalaya. We have
Isham 78 bronze medals, a total of 149 medals. It is important to note, although we ranked 4th, our total medal haul was the 3rd highest. However, in the Olympic format, the ranking is based on the gold medals. We were just 3 medals behind, becoming 3rd. Our medal was somewhere around 112, while our total haul was 149. But there were 3 medals ahead of us, so that's how they became 3rd. So, congratulations again to all the parents and to the coaches.
You have made all of us proud. And not just about the state and the government and your families. I think the people of the state are proud of what you have achieved. And it has not been easy for all of you to reach to this level. But it has been because of the sheer dedication and the hard work that each one of you has put at an individual level, be it the coaches, be it the association members, and most importantly, be it the athletes and the sports persons themselves. So hence, this is a moment to really thank you and to celebrate you and to congratulate each and every one of you for what you have achieved. As was mentioned, that this Northeast Olympics has been a really great experience for all of us. And it really was something that a lot of people did not expect and did not think that Northeast and the state of Meghalaya could actually organize a game like this. And from day one, we have been very clear in our minds that we really are here to raise the bar for all of us. We are here to raise the standards for all of us, and we want to show the rest of the world that Meghalaya can also do things which other people can do, and maybe we can do it even better. And that's why I'm very grateful and thankful to the sports department and the MSOA for the great work that they have done in order to be able to make these games a grand success. I'll just take 2 minutes of your time to just share with you what really goes on in our minds when we do all of this. And it's not about just organizing a sports event. There is a very big thinking behind everything that we're trying to do. And it starts off with a simple point which I keep mentioning in every meeting that I go, in every school function that I have, or in every place where I can speak to the youth. And that is that the youth is our greatest strength. And I don't mean to say it just as a form of a speech or a political stand that I have. When I say that the youth is our greatest strength, I mean it. And every step that I take and every point and every program that we do, all of this is leading towards this one particular thought in my mind, that if we are to unleash the energy and unleash the opportunities and the entire capacity of the youth, we must be able to channelize their energy. And it is the government's job and the government's policy making that will enable us to channelize your energy. If these youths that you saw on the screen are not playing the sports, are not being able to allow to go into their musical field, are not able to go into different interests like sports or fashion, well, we can expect that they will find another way to unleash their energy. And that energy may be a very destructive one. And hence, as a government, it is our duty, as a society, it is our duty to allow you to be able to do what you do best, to allow you to follow your passion, to be able to do the things that you believe in, the things that you're really, interested in. And that's really where all of this comes from. This is the reason why we do the Meghalaya Grassroots program, where 500 musicians today are being paid by the government of Meghalaya to perform and to be able to do what they do best. It's the reason why we have programs like Aspire Meghalaya, where we want you to be confident, and that small nudge that is required for you to be able to unleash your potential. Aspire programs will build that confidence in you. We did the youth survey because we want to be sure that what we think you want is exactly what you want and not what we want. Because without a survey, we'll be sitting in the secretariat and making a policy which you may not even want. And so without knowing what you want, we can't make a program and policy and plan. Hence, if you see and connect all these dots, all these activities that are going all everywhere, there is a purpose behind each one of them. It's not that we just want to organize a great Northeast Olympics. Of course we want to. But there is a much larger picture and a goal towards this entire thing. I look at our youth who are here today, the 12 lakh youth who are in the age category of 12 to 20 plus, 29, 30. And we look at this category and we say that, well, these are the youth that are going to be then taking our state and our nation forward in the next 10 years, 15 years. What would we want you to be? Whether you're in sports, or whether you're in education, whether you're in political life, whether you are in social life, whatever you are in, whatever you do today is going to shape you to become what you should become 10 years from now, 15 years from now. And if we as a government and as a society fail to give that space to you and the chance to you, well, then we can expect the worst in the coming 15 years, 10 years. So we may not be able to see the whole result or the outcome of what we are doing today, but trust me, you will look back after 10 to 15 years, and then you will look back and say that, well, this is exactly what we had planned for.